Hello, hello, this is Mr. Barr, and this is Equations Review. So we're just going to review how to do equations. Goal, I can solve linear equations in one variable. Math has its own language and rules. By solving equations, I learned the language of math and how it works. Today we're just going to review how to solve multi-step equations. The equations that we work on today will be similar to the ones that you will see on the next test. Excuse me. And here's our basic flow map. So let's make a flow map in our notes. So name equations review. And to make my flow map fit, I'm going to turn it like this. Distribute, combine terms, add or subtract from both sides, and our final one will be multiply or divide both sides, but it's going to be almost always division here. So let's do one in our notes. We'll do this guy right here. You know what? I'll come back to him. Nah. Let's do this one, and then I'll come back. So negative 1/3 18x plus 9 plus 2x equals negative 11. And let's see if this flow map actually works. All right, I'm going to start by distributing the negative 1/3, which is the same as dividing by negative 3. So 18 divided by negative 3 is negative 6x. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. And now I'm just bringing down the rest of the problem. I started with my distribution step. My distribution step is done. This is done. Now I'm going to combine terms. I have a negative 6x and a 2x. They can combine to become a negative 4x. Bringing down the rest of the problem. So I combined my terms. Now it's time to add or subtract from both sides. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides, plus 3, plus 3. Where's my red marker of death and destruction? That gives me negative 4x equals negative 8. Same sign, add and keep. Different signs, subtract. Keep the sign of the higher number. Then you are exact. And then it comes down to the dividing both sides by negative 4, dividing by negative 4, dividing by negative 4. X equals positive 2. So just follow that flow map. All right, so there's my flow map. Keep that available. And let's do some problems here. Back to this one. All right, start with the distribution step. Half of 4 is 2x, half of 8 is 4, equals 20. Distribution is done. No combining of terms. Subtracting 4, 2x equals 16, dividing by 2, x equals 8. Start with the distribution. 2x minus 10 plus 23 equals negative 7. Distribution is done. Combining terms, 2x plus 13, because 23 minus 10 is 13, equals negative 7. Combining of terms is done. Subtracting 13 from both sides, 2x equals negative 20. Dividing both sides by 2, x equals negative 10. I did this one in my notebook. Negative 7 equals, here's distribution, negative 4x plus 6 plus 2x minus 3. There's the distribution. Now combining terms, negative 4x and 2x is negative 2x. 6 and negative 3 is positive 3. So we've completed the distribution and the combining of terms. Subtracting 3 from both sides, negative 10 equals negative 2x. Dividing both sides by negative 2, x equals 5. Where am I? I think this is the next one. Okay, I'm going to do some distribution. Half of 10 is 5, so I have 5x minus 2 equals negative 17. Adding 2 to both sides, 5x equals negative 15. Dividing by 5, x equals negative 3. Distribution, 4x minus 8 plus 15 equals 51. Combining terms, 4x plus 7 equals 51. Subtracting 7 gives me 4x equals 44. So x equals 11. Let me try that out. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 15 is 51. That worked. Let's check my answers. Negative 1/3. Multiplying by negative 1/3 is the same thing as dividing by negative 3. So 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4x. 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2 plus 7x equals negative 14. 7x minus 4x is 3x minus 2 equals negative 14. Adding 2 to both sides, 3x equals negative 12. Dividing by 3, x equals negative 4. My last one. Negative 15 equals a little distribution, so negative 4x plus 12 plus x minus 3. There's the distribution. Combining terms, negative 4x and x is negative 3x. 12 minus 3 is 9. Combining terms is done. Subtracting 9 from both sides. Negative 24 equals negative 3x. Dividing both sides by negative 3. X equals positive 8. All right, hey, that's it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.